Dear English learner, I know that you're working hard and struggling. It can be tough to balance your work and studies, especially when you're trying to learn a new language. But let me tell you, your determination and hard work are admirable and will pay off in the long run. Learning a new language takes time, patience, and dedication. It can be frustrating at times, but every mistake you make and every lesson you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. And don't forget, with fluency comes a world of new opportunities. The ability to speak English opens doors to new careers, new cultures, and new experiences. I understand that your struggles may make things harder, but don't let that hold you back. There are resources available to help you. Look into scholarships and other aid options to help ease the burden. And remember, the investment you're making in yourself and your education is worth it. It may not be easy, but it will be worth it in the end. So don't give up, even when things get tough. Keep working hard and stay motivated. You have the talent, determination, and the drive to succeed. Believe in yourself and your ability, and you will achieve your goals. Best of luck to you and your language learning journey. Keep up the good work. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.